Welcome friends to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making Paula Deen's original Gooey butter cake. And you just take yellow cake mix, and 1 egg, and a 1/2 cup of melted butter. And we're going to blend it, the mixer. It's going to be thick, so just keep on mixing. I've got my 13 by 9 sprayed with Pam cooking spray, and my oven's at 350. I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to press it down with our fingers or spatula, whatever you want. This is going to be the crust. She started making this when she was first starting out doing the bag lady. It was one of the desserts that she would put in the lunch. And it's one of her signature desserts that you could get at her restaurant. Now, press it out, make it even. Maybe go up on the side just a hair. And it should look like this. It's all even. We're going to start with the filling. That's 1 block of cream cheese at room temperature. You got to make sure of that because it's not going to do well. We're going to beat until creamy. We're going to add a 1/2 cup of butter. And we got 2 eggs. CRUST. We have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to mix it. We'll put in our, make sure it's all mixed together and there's no lumps. We'll put in 1 box of powdered sugar. I'll turn it on low, because it'll go all over the place. We got it all mixed. I'm going to stir it. Make sure all that powdered sugar is mixed in. And there's no lumps. Get all that goody off of there. We're going to pour it on top of the crust. We're going to bake this for between 40 and 50 minutes. Now don't bake it too long because you want it gooey. It'll still move a little bit, but not, that's why they call it ooey gooey. Put it in the oven. We've taken the ooey gooey butter cake out of the oven. It was in there for 40 minutes. And it is delicious. This is what it looks like. See how gooey it is in the middle? That's what you want. You don't want it to cook it overdone. And the layers, you can see the crust. Let's take a bite of it. It's delicious. So I hope you make this. It's wonderful. Paula Deen said there's 50 versions of this gooey butter cake. This is the original one, and it's delicious. You can put anything and everything you want in it. Lemon, pecans, chocolate. Down in the comments, let me know which ooey gooey butter cake you would like. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I may have. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.